sitting by the fireside's glow. Whispers carried with a voice so low, mountains heavy with their silent snow. In the woods, forgotten tales grow. In the valley where the rivers creep, echoes murmur through the trees so deep. Winds refrain that never seems to sleep. Memories lost, now secrets to keep. Lonely echoes in the silent night, haunting whispers in the pale moonlight. Nature's voice, a symphony of sight, wanders free out of humankind's sight. Ancient branches bow to twilight's call. Shadows dance on the weathered wall. Voices melt where the night birds fall. Loneliness answers the wild's call. Hear the call of the deep dark earth. Whispers linger, they had their birth. Low as the murmur of old man's mirth, eternal echoes tied to their worth. Cold and brittle, the dawn breaks slow. Watchful eyes in the forests low. Stories told in the fire's weak glow. Loneliness cast its enduring show. And blue skies and smoking nights, where love and tears entwine in flight. Songs of hearts both lost and found, the melody of life profound. Down an alley where the whispers play, memories dance in a sweet display. Echoes of laughter, soft and warm, shield me from the brewing storm. The piano tunes a tender plea, playing notes that comfort me. In this place I find my peace, where the city's hum will never cease. Blue skies and smoking nights, where love and tears entwine in flight. Songs of hearts both lost and found, the melody of life profound.